Now next we move over to the library functions available in C. The first is the clear screen, which is available in the header file conio.h. This does the job of clearing the screen. For example, if you are running one program after the other, the previous program's output will remain on the screen. That will not allow you to see the current output clearly. So before you print any output on the screen, if you give this CLR SCR within followed by the brackets, you will be able to see the clear output on the screen. Any previous data will be erased from the screen. The next is exit statement, which terminates the program. It is available in the process.h header file. And then you have the sleep function, which pauses the execution of a program for a given number of seconds. How many ever seconds it needs to be stopped for, you should give it within the bracket, say sleep of 5 or sleep of 10, it will pause the program for 10 seconds. This is available in the header file dos.h. Now all these need to be in small letters. If you will see, the first letter is capitalized, which is not right. So CLR SCR should be fully in small letters, exit as well as sleep, everything should be in small letters, because C accepts only small letters when they are predefined or in the set of statements. Next we have the escape sequences, which are nothing but special characters starting with a backslash. They are used to break the normal sequence of a computer. Now if you will see the escape sequence, it is a horizontal tab, new line and backspace. We have seen all of this in the symbols available in C. So escape sequence is an escape from the normal sequence of the program. So that is used when we have to make some alterations in the normal execution. So these are also quite frequently used when we write a program. For example, if we want to see the output leaving 2 or 3 lines in between, we go in for the new line. If we want to leave spaces, say we are giving the output in the form of a table, we need to give space between the headings side by side. In that case we use a horizontal tab. So that is why escape sequences are used.